Okay guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your cell phone into BMW's iDrive8 system. So if you have the curved display screen with the BMW iDrive8, this is what you need to do. So from the main menu, you're going to come into the 4 squares up here for the main menu. You're going to come into and look for mobile devices. It's not always going to be at the top left because you can click and drag and change these locations. So you want to go through vehicle apps down here, find the one that's mobile devices, click into mobile devices, and then over on the right, you're going to connect new device, just like that. And then it's going to be searching for devices. Now the next step you got to do on your cell phone. All right, so here's a screen recording of on your cell phone. You go into your settings, you go into your Bluetooth settings, and you want to scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to see the BMW vehicle is going to pop up. You see here BMW 41110, and then it's going to ask you to pair. You're going to hit pair, you're going to allow it to sync into your context, and then after that, you go back into the BMW menu. Okay, so then the next step after you've done that on your phone, you want to hit yes on the screen here, and then you can determine whether or not you want to use Apple Carplay or not. I'm going to hit use Apple Carplay, and then you can determine whether or not you want to use Hey Siri or long press on the microphone. I'm going to continue. You will get the prompt on your cell phone to use the Apple CarPlay, so make sure that you select that prompt as well. And there you go. Your cell phone is connected. If you didn't select Apple CarPlay, it would just connect you back into your main menu. But there we go. Your telephone is now connected. And depending if you're using Apple CarPlay or not, that Apple CarPlay is going to pop up when you try to go use the telephone. If not, it'll just be on the normal BMW system. If you do want to change between Apple CarPlay and using the BMW system, you're going to go into mobile devices and you're going to unclick Apple CarPlay there. Click phone and audio. So yeah, just gonna unclick, and then now when you go into telephone, you'll go in on the BMW side to make any phone calls. All right, I hope you guys found this video useful on how to connect your cell phone into your BMW iDrive8 system. Don't forget, if you're in the Toronto marketplace and you're looking for a BMW, feel free to reach out to me at my email down below and I'll help you out. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video.